everyone, welcome back. Let's learn how to force restart a frozen or stuck iPhone 14, 14 Plus or 14 Pro. Let's go and check that out. Well, to actually fix these kind of small glitches into your iPhone, you just need to simply restart or give a force restart to your iPhone. Now, how to do it? I know everyone doesn't know about it. Now, I will explain you how to do so, how to give a quick and a force restart to your iPhone so that you can resolve these kind of small glitches. So, let's go. As you can see here, there is volume up button, then volume down button, and then here is the power button. Well, to give a restart, you will actually need to first press the volume up button, press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, and then press and hold this power button until you see the Apple logo onto your screen. Now the task is that whatever should happen onto your screen, you don't have to actually leave this power button until you see the Apple logo. You have to be patient and you have to be focused. So first, let me just demonstrate it for all of you as well. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold the power button. You don't need to be worried about whatever is happening onto your screen. You just need to wait for the Apple logo to appear so that you can leave the power button. Just wait for it. Maybe I just leave this. Let me just do it again for you. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold this power button. Let's wait for it. Just wait for the Apple logo to appear in front. Here it is. Now you can leave it. And now we can place it here and wait for the iPhone to get started again. This is how you can actually give a quick restart to your iPhone so that these kind of small glitches like a frozen screen, your screen just gets stuck into it, your screen just get unresponsive. These kind of glitches can be very easily solved by this force restart or a soft restart, you can say. Now you can see our iPhone has been turned up. You can very easily enter your passcode and go ahead and use your iPhone. So I hope this is going to be informative for you and you will get the idea how to do so. So thank you so much and may you all have a great day.